On August 15, 1977, something strange happened in Ohio. It began as an ordinary night at the Big Ear radio telescope. The massive telescope was quietly scanning the sky, listening for radio signals coming from distant parts of the universe. Then, suddenly, it detected something unusual. A powerful radio signal appeared from the darkness of space. It wasn't a normal burst of static. It was unusually strong, extremely narrow in frequency, and appeared to come from a specific region of the sky. The signal lasted for just 72 seconds. And then it disappeared. Astronomer Jerry Emin was looking through the computer printout when he noticed the strange sequence of characters representing the signal's strength. He circled it in red ink. Beside it, he wrote one word. Wow! That single handwritten word would eventually give the mysterious signal its name. The wow signal. But what made it so strange? The telescope had detected the signal at a frequency close to the natural radio frequency produced by hydrogen, the most abundant element in the universe. That frequency has long been considered interesting in the search for possible signals from extraterrestrial civilizations. Even stranger, the signal's strength changed in a very specific way. It gradually became stronger, reached a peak, and then gradually became weaker. That pattern was consistent with the way a distant source could pass through the telescope's field of view as Earth rotated. It seemed to be coming from somewhere in the sky. But where exactly? Astronomers searched the region again, and again, and again, but the signal never returned. There was no second message. No repeated transmission. No obvious source. Just silence. Over the years, scientists proposed different explanations. Perhaps it was caused by an astronomical object we didn't understand at the time. Perhaps it was some kind of interference. Perhaps there was another explanation that researchers simply haven't identified yet. And yes, some people have suggested that the signal could have been produced by an extraterrestrial civilization. But there is absolutely no confirmed evidence that aliens created it. That is what makes the story so fascinating. The mystery isn't that scientists proved something from another civilization contacted Earth. They didn't. The mystery is that something unusual was detected. And despite decades of investigation, we still don't have a universally accepted explanation for exactly what caused it. Imagine hearing a signal from deep space. You don't know what sent it. You don't know why it happened. You don't know whether it was natural or artificial. And then, after only 72 seconds, it disappears forever. Almost 50 years later, the wow signal remains one of the most famous unexplained signals ever detected from space.